Today, I'm going to replace the motor in the bathroom fan. Indeed. Turn it on. Nothing happens. There. As you can see, that's not good. Not running very good. All right, let's see what we can do to replace it. We're going to replace the fan motor in the bathroom fan. This is the package it comes in. This is just a generic motor. It's part number BVD02180. And you can get this online through Amazon. I think it was like 30 bucks or something. All right, let's get it replaced. And the first thing we need to do is take the screw out of the handle here. And I need a Phillips head screwdriver for that. And I think I'm going to need 2 hands to do it. We've taken the handle off. And now the screen just pops out here. It has these little tabs here on here. Just pop it off. I don't remember how. There we go. Pretty easy to do here. There. Screen's off. And the next thing, you just pull the fan blade off. Should just come right off, I think. No. Yep, there we go. Fan blade just comes right off. Now we have 2 Phillips head screwdrivers here. Or 2 Phillips head screws. Right there and there. Gonna take 2 hands again here. And one thing about these screws here in the motor, they're really small. So you might want to close your toilet lid and put your stopper in the sink in case you drop anything. Oh yeah, if your shower's right here too, probably put something over the shower drain too, just in case you drop one of those little screws, you don't lose it. And of course, once you have the screws out, then you can just take the motor, lift it out, and then just undo the 2 wires here. And of course, a magnetic screwdriver might be really good too to hold on to those screws. Now that we have it reinstalled, let's see if it turns on and works here. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. And it's quiet. Works great. We are all done installing the bathroom fan. The handle's back on, the screen's in. Fan is working great. Thanks for watching.